majority of the Excel templates you'll be having, majority of them will not work readily because there are some embedded programmings that have been done to functionally extend the functionality of Excel. So as a result of that, if your system is not properly enabled, you might not be able to use this template. So that is why in this video I want to quickly explain to you what you need to do in order to extend the functionality of your Excel. So if you get our template and you discover that some of the features, some of the icons are not working properly, or some of the drop down are not performing any particular action, then this is what you need to do. It therefore means that you've not extended the functionality of your Excel. So in this video I want to show you what to do. So what you have not done is that you have not enabled the macro on your system, on your Excel, okay? Because most of these templates have programs embedded in them, so you need to extend their functionality like I've said. So what do you need to do? First, you need to close the app, the template sent to you, close it. Then you do this. You launch a blank Excel sheet, just like you see me doing. You launch a blank Excel sheet. So after launching, you come to this place that says file. So I'll click on file. Then you come to this place that says options. I'll click on options. Then you come to this place that says trust center. I'll click on it. Then lastly, you come to this place that says trust center settings. Then I'll click on it. Now I'll now come to this place that says macro settings. You see, so this is where you enable your macro. So I'll click on it. Clicking on it, you see that mine is already enabled. We have about 4 options there. Then you tick the last one. You check the last one that says enable all macros. Okay, because macros could be harmful. That is why Excel by default disabled it. But because you want to extend the functionality of your Excel so that you'll be able to use some of the templates that you'll be getting or that you are going to get from us, so that is why you need to enable this macro. So enable this macro now means that your Excel is no longer an ordinary document file. You can now use Excel that comes with programs in it. So once you enable the macro, then you click on OK. Can you see? You click on OK, then you close every other thing. It is until then you can now launch the template sent to you, and after launching you discover that all the features that were hibernated or that you couldn't use, you will now be able to use them because you have activated macro on your phone. So it's as simple as that. Thank you so much.